Yes, okay. So, with no further ado, we're going to go to the first caller. Hi, you're on the air. Hello?
Yes, how you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. My question is, my girlfriend lives in France. She is Asian, but she lives in France.
She's in France right now,
Legally,
you said?
my girlfriend, she's Asian, but she lives in France.
She lives in France, okay.
Yes, but she lives there, illegally.
Okay.
Now I'm a U.S. citizen. How I could, bring her, in this country?
File a visa petition for her. If she's residing in France, even though she may be illegal in France, she still should be eligible to pick up her green card in France. And you file for her, file an I-130, but you got to marry her, unless you're going to file for her as a fiancé.
But is it possible, to file for her, and have her, have her interview in France?
Why not? As long as she's living in France, yes, she can have her interview in France.
I didn't know that. Even she has no paper over there.
Yeah, I mean, all you have to show to get an interview is that you're domiciled in that particular country. Okay, you don't have to show that you're legal or not legal or anything else. So yes, she can get her interview there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Come in and see me, 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465.
All right, thank you.
All right.
I got it.
All right, moving onward. Hi, you're on the air. Hello. You are now off the air. You dropped. We're going to go to this line. Hello, you're on the air? And you're not on that either. We're going to go to number 4, they say. There is somebody on the air. Hi, you're on the air?
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm calling regarding my niece. My sister adopted her in Florida.
Right.
And she filed for her, but they sent her paper to Jamaica for the visa. So is there a way
I'm confused on your question. You're calling about your niece. Your sister filed for her, and what about an extension, you said?
Her visa. They sent it to Jamaica for her to for an interview.
You got to speak up. For her to what?
She's in Florida for an interview.
For an interview, okay.
But she's in Florida.
The niece is in Florida.
Yes.
She's here out of status?
Yes.
How old is she?
She's 18. She turned 18 in September.
She turned 18 in September.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and your sister's a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
And how did she come to the United States?
She came up on someone's birth certificate when she was like 11 years old.
Okay, she needs to go home for her green card appointment, but listen very, very carefully. Mm-hmm. Okay? She does generally, if you lived in the United States illegally for more than a year, which she has, and you go back to Jamaica or to any country to pick up your green card, you can't come back for 10 years. Now, the law says that you can't hold a minor responsible for living in the United States illegally. So the 10-year bar does not apply to minors.
Oh, okay.
She became an adult under the immigration laws when she turned 18 years old. So at the age of 18, the law says you now have 180 days to leave the United States. Otherwise, the 3-year bar will hit. And if you stay illegally for more than a year to your 19th birthday, the 10-year bar will hit. Now, she's very lucky. She just turned 18 in September.
Yes.
We're now in November. She's 60 days into the 180 in which the law requires her to leave.
Okay.
If she leaves the United States before she overstays more than 180 days beyond her 18th birthday, she can go home to Jamaica, pick up her green card, and come back. Okay, now, she may be concerned. I came on somebody else's passport.
Right.
There was a fraud committed to get this child into the United States. The embassy cannot hold an 11-year-old responsible for any fraud because she was a minor. So she can go home without any fear of being able to return as long as she leaves within 180 days.
Okay.
Now, the embassy may ask her, how did you come up here? And maybe she'll say, for example, I don't know, my uncle got me a visa to come up here. My uncle took me. I don't know. I'm making something up. Now, the uncle may now be in trouble for smuggling a child into the United States, okay? But she's not going to be in trouble because she was an 11-year-old at the time, and she can't be held responsible for the fraud. And if she leaves within 180 days of her 18th birthday, she does not have a bar. I can tell you emphatically she would go home. She'll be home for a few days. She will get her green card and come back. I do this many, many times with a lot of children, not only from Jamaica, but Guyana, Trinidad, who are ineligible to adjust their status here because they don't have the visa that they use to enter the United States.
Oh, okay, so she had to go home.
All right, but if she goes home, make sure she goes home within that 180 days of her 18th birthday.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, good luck. And if you have any questions, obviously give us a call in my office. Even though this child's in Florida, we handle cases in all 50 states as far as immigration is concerned. You can give us a call at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465.